Have you ever wondered how JavaScript works in your browser? Writing JavaScript in the console is great for quick tests, but real-world projects need more structure. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up a proper JavaScript file, link it to an HTML file, and run it seamlessly in your browser. Getting started with the initial code. Download the initial code, head to the GitHub repository linked in the description given below. Steps to download: click the green code button, select download zip. If green button is not visible, click on this link. This will download the code for you. This is for mobile user because in mobile or small screen devices, this code is not visible. After downloading, unzip the file. Inside, you will find an initial folder, your starting point. Open this initial code in VS Code. So just here we have the VS Code. Just drag and drop it in the VS Code. It will open, as you see, initial folder with index.html file in our VS Code. Linking JavaScript to HTML. Why an HTML file? JavaScript is often attached to HTML for building front-end applications. Every JavaScript file needs to be connected to an HTML document to run in the browser. So this index.html file we have to click. This is the code written inside the HTML document. No need to worry about the code. We just have to write the JavaScript code inside it. So just after the style closing tab, we have to write here script tag in which we have to write our JavaScript. Okay, so this is the opening of the JavaScript and this is the closing of the JavaScript. Other all is HTML. We don't need to worry about it. So write a simple JavaScript snippet to test. So write let JS equal to amazing, and if JS equal to amazing, alert JavaScript is fun. Just save it and open the HTML file in the browser. So we just have to open the index.html file in the browser to open and show the alert message. As you see, JavaScript is fun, alert message is showing. We just click OK and it will show the HTML page in front of us. Outputting results, the developer console. Very important topic. Access the console via the browser inspector tool to see JavaScript results. So what we have to do is just right click and inspect. Then we have to click on the console tab. Okay. Reload it. Okay. So we have to perform a little calculation here like 40 plus 100 plus 20 plus 30. So a result will be shown to us 190. But what if we want to perform calculation inside the JavaScript code here and want to present the results in the console as you see here? So what we have to do is, if we just write the same 40 plus 100 plus 20 plus 30 in the JavaScript code, let's copy it and paste it over here and save it. And when we open the HTML file, the same HTML file which is already open here, when we reload it, you see there no results is shown. So in order to show results of the calculations which we are doing in our JavaScript code, we have to use one important function which is console.log. Okay. After using console.log, we are able to see our calculation results in the browser. Okay. So what we have to do, we just have to write console.log and open our computation inside the log function, and just we have to save it because console.log act as a bridge between our this code and the browser console. Browser console and our code console.log is bridge between them. Okay, so after writing this console.log and inside it we write our calculation, then we just have to save it and reload our HTML in the browser. So just reload it, click OK. As you see, 190 result is showing to us. Okay, same results. So one important thing here is that inline script versus external files. Inline script, as you see, I am writing the inline script as in the same HTML document. Our JavaScript is in the same HTML document. So this is called inline script. This is convenient for small projects but mixed presentations and logic. External script essential for large products. Okay, large projects to maintain clean and modular code. Okay, so we have to write this script in the external file. Creating an external JavaScript file. Setting up the file. In your project folder, create a new file named script.js. So new file script.js. Click enter. A new file is created. Move your JavaScript code from the HTML file into this new file, linking the external file. Okay, so we have to go to the index.html and copy our code from here to our newly created JavaScript file. We just have to paste it here. Okay, so just save it. Now linking the external file. So in the HTML file, replace the inline script with the following code. Okay, so just go here. We have created our script.js file. Just go to the index.html file, replace, delete this code. Okay, and just inside this script tag, the opening script tab, write script source equals to script.js. This is the name of the file which we have created with .js extension, the JavaScript file which we have created. Just write it inside the opening tag of the script and save it. Now we are going to reload the browser tab. Okay, and you see the same code is working again. JavaScript is on. Just click OK and you see the results 190 is also showing. So this is how we have to create the external JavaScript file, and we have to link it using this code script. Okay, so common errors which occur during linking the script file is ensure that the script.js file is in the same directory as the HTML file. So it must be in the same directory. Okay, as you see, it is in the same directory. It is in the initial folder index.html and script.js. Double check the file path and spellings in the script tag. In the script tag, you have to check the spellings and file path. Okay, this is the file path and there must be no spelling mistake. It must be script.js. Fix any syntax error in your JavaScript code. If there is any syntax error in the JavaScript code, you have to fix it in order to successfully run your code. Final thoughts. As we have downloaded the initial code, linked an external JavaScript file to an HTML document, ran JavaScript code in the browser. Now that we have set up our environments, it's time to dive into JavaScript basics. If you found this setup guide helpful, check out the next video where we will start exploring JavaScript fundamentals, learn how to declare variables, write functions, and understand the building blocks of JavaScript.